bro. We in the
Sola said, how you got in the police?
Bro, I'm from New York, bro.
Well, I mean, dang, like, what y'all trying to fight or something? Police? Y'all coming over our house unexpected. What are you talking about?
Like, you don't know.
None of the men is there. It's all the carbonation females caught away men on a black.
We got straight men
the
here,
white
bro.
men.
We got boys.
What happened, her?
What's going on? I'm coming.
Oh, good.
How you gonna just pop over somebody's house and be like, let me see my daughter? House and be like, let me see my daughter.
The black man is right. You see him? Right over there.
Yeah, that's the one that
snake,
gave.
bro.
That's the one that gave the location. You know what I'm saying? I guess you keep your enemies closer. You know what I'm saying? This
Yeah,
will
my
happen.
shoulder
Always gonna have
first.
somebody that's make or something be cool and stuff like that. And we ain't worried about the fame. We ain't worried about none of that. Actually, we don't care about that. That is something that we don't care about. Spirituality is our life. It's not just you know what I'm saying, oh, fame this, fame. Nah, it's our life.
This is learning that this is a whole learning lesson.
I mean, in reality, if an abusive person is trying to come to your house and you trying to get a restraining order, whatever the case, they is not allowed to come on your property. Whatever, they're not allowed. So this what he did. And you talking about yourself. When you speak those words, you talking about yourself. So be careful with.